everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be making vegetable beef soup. You're going to need 2 pounds of ground beef, a can of mixed vegetables. I have 4 little cans of tomato sauce. You can use 2 larger ones. 2 cans of potatoes, 2 cans of corn, a can of green beans, and a can of Rotel. And I'm cooking this in my Instant Pot today. A lot of times I'll put it in the crock pot in the morning and let it cook all day. But I went to the grocery store today. I didn't really have time, and so I just did it in my Instant Pot because it was easy and it was already on the counter. So I put it on the saute button to cook my ground beef. So I'm going to add my ground beef. And I love the Instant Pot because you can do everything in the one pot and not have 14 million different dishes at one time. So as it cooks, just kind of chop it up, and I'm going to open my cans. For this recipe, you don't drain any of the cans. You just dump them in there whole. So this is a very easy, very quick dinner to throw together. So now normally with these potatoes, I buy the already sliced ones, but at the store that I went to today, they only had the whole ones, and so I just thought I'll slice them myself. And you'll see at the end of the video where I am slicing them. Alright, so here my ground beef is pretty much done. So I am going to start adding my cans. And you see there, you just dump them in. Doesn't matter what order, just dump everything in. And this recipe makes a lot of soup. So, and then here I am. I just drained the juice into the Instant Pot, and then I started slicing up the potatoes. Doesn't matter, you can do them in slices or chunks or however you want, or whatever's quicker. Like I said, normally I buy the already sliced ones, but they did not have them, so. And then I'm just going to stir it up, and I then switched it over to the slow cook button on my Instant Pot and add some salt and pepper, and it's all done. If you enjoyed this recipe vlog, go ahead and leave a comment down below. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, and we will see you guys next time. Bye, everybody.